This video is sponsored by Carco.com. Save money at your checkout by using the code Lewis. What up guys, and this is your boy Lewis with GeekHelpingHand with the audio test of the Samsung Galaxy S4 on T-Mobile. Alright, I will be testing the speaker that lays on the back of the Samsung Galaxy S4, and I will let you judge the quality of the speaker as well.
Trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire.
City of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. So what it do, yo? 100. I am on a 24-hour champagne diet.
And that will pretty much do it for the test. Please do leave your opinion on the audio quality for the Samsung Galaxy S4 on T-Mobile. Until next time, have an awesome day.